Nyamaza pa. Unakuwaga kupoa. Kuna wabadakta.
Drug addiction and alcohol taking is actually a disease. Those people are sick. And you can't condemn people who are sick. What you need is to understand them and help them to be able to overcome. But when we condemn them and we do not even take care of them, some of them have gone to the level they are mentally ill. And so we need to start to know how do we deal with these mental illnesses. And we are going to be calling and going across the nation talking about it so that we don't stigmatize this thing. So that if your child is in drugs, don't be ashamed. Bring that child to where they can get help.
Without our people being sober, no matter what government does, we will not be able to benefit from all the things that the government is doing. So here in Kiambu, we have worked very well and we have reduced the consumption of illicit brews and counterfeit brews and drugs to the barest minimum, and we are working very well with the county government and all other agencies to ensure that we are sober in Kiambu County so that we can help the president transform this county and transform the entire republic the way he promised us when he was looking for this particular leadership.